Hey, what's going on, family? Just doing a quick video just to show you guys we are at the Thailand-Myanmar friendship court. So we're literally right there is Burma. So standing in Thailand, and we are currently looking at Burma. It's gonna be a higher viewpoint going up top, but just wanted to show you guys. And literally have the militaries right there.
Mm. We just passed the Burma flag too.
Yeah. Literally, as we came around the corner, we saw a Burma flag. So yeah, we're like half in Burma, half in Thailand, half in Thailand. And part of the road like literally drives over Burma, which is pretty cool. So no passport needed right now. Yeah, that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you this view. It's incredible. And yeah, just Thailand, Myanmar friendship court. Got an old school military truck right there. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this type of content. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.